such a lovely day. And Ken is here with me. Wow, he's so handsome.
Hey, beautiful, look what I've got for you.
Oh, Ken, it's so romantic. Thank you.
Sorry, Barbie. Mermaids are better.
Let's go, Ken.
Sure.
Live this ugly one. Oh, no, he likes mermaids more. Oh, look at this handsome one. He's gorgeous.
And I was like, give me the ball. And boom.
I'm better than her. He just needs to see me.
What? Barbie? Hey, Barbie, mermaids are better.
Just leave her. Aw, he likes mermaids more. What's wrong with me? What, the legs? Right, it must be it. Yet no challenge will ever stop me. But what I need to do? If you want to be a mermaid, you will need a tail. Oh, hope it won't hurt. But you're right, let's do it. First, let's change my shoes. These flippers will do so much better. Now some duct tape. And now I need something shiny.
Try these.
Ugh. This one, no. This is just what I need. Just pour it all up here. The more, the better. Nice and shiny. Done. Another one? Nope. Now I look fabulous. Huh? Now you need to match the tail to your bra. To my bra? All right. And what could I use for it? These sweet beauties? Let's try some flowers on. No, not the best choice. What do we have here? Yellow journal style? Nah. My little ones? Also no. Oh, what to do? It's so hard to... Oh, this one looks nice. Let's try it on. Perfect. So nice and fancy. But my hair? All the mermaids have so bright and fancy hair. Let's pick up a color. Green? Nah. Orange? Also no. Yellow? Looks better, but no. Red? Yes, this might work. I just need to reach the machine. Here it is. So we'll put this one here. Oopsie. That wasn't me, guys. Finally. What? Just wash it up, wash... Phew, it's me again. But I still don't look like a mermaid. All right, let's add some fancy shadows. And put it right on the eyelids. Aha! The result is brilliant! Ooh, my stomach! I just need to order some food. Real Mermaid's one.
Knock, knock, mermaid's delivery.
Ow, so fast! What have we got here? Fish? Ew, so smelly! And what's here? Pearls, fabulous! Let's add some too! Wow, this way it looks fantastic! Ow, what is it? A letter? Help? Oh, whatever. I'll just enjoy some water. Oh, Ken, I wish one day you will be mine.
Yes, beautiful.
Huh? How is this? Oh, my lips! Beautiful! Wait! Earring! I need some earring! Let's make some too! Just choose up a form. Add some mermaid details. Stick it up together, very carefully. And add some pearls and glitter. Almost ready. Let's take a look. First and the second. Right what I needed.
Wow!
Now I look like a mermaid.
Yay!
So do you like how I look like? You look perfect. Ken is waiting.
Yes!
Knock, knock.
Wait, who might it be?
Mermaid's delivery.
What? I didn't order it. Wait a minute. This voice, is it…
Wow, Barbie, you look so beautiful.
Hello, desk neighbor.
If I ignore her, maybe she'll go away.
Not really a talker, huh?
I'll listen to some music. At least I won't be able to hear her.
Whoa! It's flying! I guess it really is an AirPod!
Hey! Get back here!
Look out! Grab it!
Phew! That was crazy. Be honest, is it okay?
I don't think so.
This is the worst!
I can fix it. I'll wipe it on my top. It's as good as you, but I can make it even better. I'll add a Barbie sticker. Then I'll need a pink pen. I'll start to color the case. I'll go all the way around, but I won't draw over the sticker. I'm almost done. Now I'll peel off the sticker. Look at that. I hope you like it.
Wow! It's perfect!
That's the reaction I was looking for.
It's everything I've ever wanted. Hey, wanna listen to music with me? Here you go.
Whoa! Is that screaming?
It's me, singing. I wrote it myself.
Welcome to art class. We're going to be creating masterpieces.
This'll be fun.
I have something special planned. Take a look at this. I drew it myself.
Ooh! It looks like me! I'm a model!
Sure, okay. I want you to draw something similar.
I suppose we better do this.
Let me think. Okay, I'm ready. This is gonna look great. Wow, it's perfect!
It is pretty good. But I'm gonna paint my drawing. This is harder than I thought. That can go in the trash. Let's start over. Steady, steady. Aw, come on! I can't believe how hard this is! It's so annoying!
What have you done?
It was an accident. I'll wipe it up. This isn't going well.
It's ruined!
I'm so sorry. Huh? What's that? Ugh, I've got paint on my finger. Hang on. I've got an idea. I've made sketches on 2 pieces of paper. Then I'll trace them onto cardboard. Now I'll take a circle and rectangle of cardboard. I'll stick the head and Barbie stencil onto them. Next I'll cover them with pink card. That's just what I wanted. It's like a stamp.
Huh? What is it?
Hey, watch this! You're gonna love it. I'll need a roller. I'll cover it with paint. Then I'll roll it over the stamp. I'll give it a good coat. Then I'll press it onto the paper. I'll do the same with the Barbie stencil. I'll make sure I don't miss any spots. That should do it. Then I'll transfer it to the paper. It worked! What do you think? It's pretty good, isn't it? I worked hard on it.
Wait, I know what to do. I'll need a gold pen. I can still save my drawing. I'll go around the edge of the paint stain. I'll follow it all the way around. I'll take my time. I want it to be perfect. Now for the next stage. I'll paint the head with black paint. I'll stay inside the lines. And I'll make a silhouette. Wow, it looks amazing! Ta-da! I know. It's stunning.
Huh?
Whoa! That was the reaction I was looking for.
Oh, you're finished.
Ignore her. My painting is the best.
Excellent work. You're both true artists. Great job.
He likes mine the best.
I'm just so happy.
Time for a lipstick top-up. This shade is gorgeous. It really suits me. Looking good. Good work. This is gonna be great. I'll need a sheet of pink card. I'll start by folding it over. I'll make sure the edges are lined up. Now I need a black pen. I'll draw a long rectangle, but the edges will be curved. It's gonna be a jar. Next, I'll add stickers to the card. I want it to be nice and colorful. Then I'll cut the jar out, but I'll leave the lid intact. I'll need a Ziploc plastic bag for this next part. I'll pinch the tip of the bag, and I'll pour shampoo in. Almost there. Next, I'll add glitter. I want this to sparkle. I can seal the bag. I'll fold the top over. I'll mix the shampoo and glitter together. Ooh, that feels good. I'll place it inside the card. I want to cover the hole. Now I need to hold it in place. I'll stick tape to each corner. This will keep it secure. Now I need a strip of double-sided tape. I'll remove the backing. I've stapled a bunch of paper together, and I'll place it on the double-sided tape. My new notebook. Look at the glitter move around. I can feel my stress melting away. I'm so happy with it.
Huh? What'd you say? Whoa! I don't believe it! Where'd you get that? I want a cool notebook too! Can't let anyone see! I'll need to work fast.
What are you doing?
Take a look at this!
What's that?
My super cool notebook! It's so soft and squishy!
I can't even look at it. It's giving me anxiety. Luckily, my notebook will calm me. Hi, Ken.
I'm not feeling this outfit.
We need a costume change.
You read my mind. That's not right.
Let's try this again.
It's better, but…
Okay, one more time.
Oh, yeah! This is what I'm talking about.
Ready for school?
I sure am, Barbie. I've got no idea how we did that.
Anything's possible in a Barbie world. I'll see you later. I'm hungry. And I have this tasty snack. Yummy. It's so good. What are you doing?
Can I have some?
No. It's mine. I'm not sharing my food.
I knew she was gonna say that.
Hold on. I have an idea.
Yeah. I know what to do. I better get started. This is gonna be good.
I'll draw an oval. Then start to add some details. Then I can color it in. I'll use a pink pencil. This is for the boy. Then I'll use red for the letters. I don't want to make any mistakes. I'll take my time. That's great! I'll need to cut it out. I can put this to one side. I've got more to do. I've cut a piece of pink card like this. And I've marked it into sections. I'll lightly score the card. This'll help me fold it. I'll run glue over the flap. I don't need a lot. Just enough to hold it in place. I'll fold the flap over and give it a press. I'll do the same at either side. I'm gonna need more. I wrote on each of the pieces. Now I'll place them on a large sheet of card. I'll fold the card over them and make a crease. It's like wrapping a gift. It looks pretty boring just now, but I can make it look better. I've made this little sticker. Then I'll trim the side. I want it to look like a chocolate bar wrapper, so I'll cut little triangles out of the edges. I'll flip it over. And I can stick my logo onto it. I don't want any creases. It needs more. I'll add some love hearts to it. I'll just sketch them with a pen. I'll color it red. Aw, this is so cute. I'll draw a few more hearts. And that's it finished. It's making me hungry. Hey Barbie, wanna swap? Wow, it's so pink! I want it! I love it! It's so exciting! I know it'll taste great. Whoa! Look at this! Yum yum!